Hello, and welcome to WMW's weekly newscast, bringing you the global waste management headlines. Coming up, waste to energy takes off in Nepal, UK's first mushroom farm to recycle coffee waste, first all-electric RCV in North America does the rounds in Chicago, and finally, Minister in a pickle over show of hands for weekly waste collections. The Climate Investment Funds, known as the CIF, has published a video looking at how its programme to scale up renewable energy in low-income countries is helping waste to energy find favour in Nepal. Here's some of the highlights.
With more than 250,000 rural household biogas digesters installed across the country in the past 2 decades, Nepal is now using the Scaling Up Renewable Energy program to develop large-scale commercial, institutional and municipal bioenergy projects. In 2013, Nepal's Alternative Energy Promotion Center, together with the World Bank, tapped the program to pilot a waste-to-energy bazaar that encouraged entrepreneurs from around the Himalayan country to showcase the most innovative concepts for turning Nepal's growing mountain of waste into clean energy. In the southern province of Chitwan, Shuba Biomass is scaling up the production of cleaner burning briquettes from sawmill and other woody wastes to service heating needs in the commercial and residential sectors. It's a new market and it's tough. Mr. Prachin Srastra explains the challenges for such new enterprises in Nepal.
Basically, we need help with finance and technology. If we get these 2 things right with a good governing policy, we'd definitely make our business a thriving business. And this would solve a lot of issues with deforestation, use of dirty fuels, and it would be a major boom to our economy and our country.
The most ambitious project, and another finalist in the bazaar, is located in Nepal's western city, Pokhara. With the backdrop of the magnificent Himalayas, the city's landfill is a stark reminder of an unsustainable waste stream. The project by Gold Rush Proprietary Limited will use a range of conventional and advanced technologies to generate 8 megawatts of electricity from 96 tons of waste each day. More than 200 jobs will also be created. Nepal will be tapping the Scaling Up Renewable Energy program in the next phase to screen projects for a range of support.
The UK's first urban mushroom farm to use recycled coffee grounds has launched this week. Here's how it works.
So we're here at a farm in an old abandoned building in the middle of Exeter, and we're out there collecting a whole load of waste coffee grounds. Why do we do that? Well, there's a huge amount of coffee waste out there is the main reason behind it. In the UK alone, 80 million cups are drunk every day. Less than 1% of the biomass of that coffee is actually goes into the cup. The rest is usually chucked in the waste and sent off to landfill. Alongside that, the coffee grounds are still hugely rich in nutrients, and they make the perfect growing medium for growing gourmet oyster mushrooms. So what we do at the farm is we take all this coffee waste and we turn it into delicious, healthy produce right in the middle of a city.
It's absolutely ideal for urban agriculture. You don't need any land. You can, within reason, convert any space. You give building a second lease of life. There's lots of unused buildings, but also it's where all the waste is. It's where the waste is and the demand is for the healthy food. So we think it should be done in more cities all around the world.
The first and only all-electric refuse collection vehicle in North America has been meeting expectations in its first months of operations in the city of Chicago. Designed by Motive Power Systems, the electric vehicle uses the company's modular, plug-and-play electric drive system. According to Motive, the city is currently running the vehicle on different residential refuse and recycling routes of up to 60 miles. The new truck is expected to save nearly 2,700 gallons of fuel each year, and the company said that it could also build as many as 20 more such vehicles for the city under its exclusive purchase agreement. And finally, never far from controversy, the UK government's Secretary of State for Communities and Local Government, Eric Pickles, caused a stir at the RWM exhibition in Birmingham on Wednesday. Following his keynote speech in which he focused on his desire for local authorities to prioritise waste collection, in particular weekly collections, Pickles rounded on CIWM Chief Executive Steve Lee for asking for a show of hands from those members of the audience that agreed with Pickles on weekly collections. For WMW, I'm Ben Messenger. Thanks for watching.